Welcome. This is BNS Chapter 8.3. Plasticity in cortical maps. Receptive fields can be changed by experience. So contrary to past thinking, we know that cortical maps can be changed with experience. In the book, they bring up the monkey experiment where they move the monkey's middle finger and then the adjacent fingers take up that space in the cortex where that's associated with the middle finger. That's not there anymore. Professional musicians who play stringed instruments have more cortical representation of their left hand because they use their left hand to do the fingerings on the neck of the guitar, ukulele. Pain, an unpleasant but adaptive experience. Congenital insensitivity to pain, that's when people cannot experience pain. When at first thought, it seems like a nice thing. It's not good because you can easily hurt yourself and you would not know. And that's a quick way to die. 3 ways pain helps us. Short-lasting pain causes us to withdraw from the source to prevent further damage. So if your hand is on a burning stove, you're going to remove it from the burning stove pretty quick. Long-lasting pain promotes rest, grooming, feeding, and drinking. Expression of pain serves as a social signal to other animals. So if you're screaming, people are going to know not to do what you're doing. Pain can also be measured. You'll see that in the next slide. Yeah. So the McGill Pain Questionnaire has 3 qualities of pain listed below. Peripheral receptors get the initial message. So pain is often caused by damaged tissue adjacent to certain nerve fibers. Mediators of pain include serotonin, histamine, and prostaglandin. Nociceptor responds to stimuli that produces or poses a threat. Free nerve endings, axons that detect pain and temperature change. Capsaicin, compound made by plants that deters predators from mimicking the experience of burning. So it's used to deter usually deer from eating chili plants, and but birds don't get this reaction from it, and they're able to eat the chilies and spread them greater distances. So it's a pretty good way to show how smart evolution can work. TRPM3 opens channels in response to rising temperatures. Delta fiber, large myelinated axon that transmits pain information quickly. C fibers are the exact opposite of that. Menthol receptors do the opposite of the first example we used here. So it opens an ion channel in response to a mild temperature drop or exposure to menthol. Spinal pathways transmit pain information. These 2 systems are part of the somatosensory system that carries most of the pain and temperature information from the brain to the body. Glutamate excites spinal cells in the dorsal horn, and substance P, a peptide transmitter implicated in pain transmission.